Hello, our viewers. I'm Kerry Prestige from Pacific Waves Television. And today I have paid a courtesy call at the heart of the best home selling companies here in America, Washington State, and to be precise, Seattle.
Champions Real Estate Company welcomes you to a remarkable opportunity in the heart of USA real estate market.
Thank you, viewers and listeners. Today you have Grace Omwere, who is here to talk about real estate. I'm with Champion Real Estate that has been existing for the last 20 years. So we are seasoned in what we do.
I went to the office for a Meet the CEO tour and brings you to speed what she does and where and how. Let's go.
Aha! Maybe you have been looking on how you can acquire a luxurious home here in America. Today, I'm gonna take you step by step while talking to Madam CEO of Champions Real Estate, Madam Grace Omwere. Thank you, Grace, for welcoming me into your office.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah. So this is where you are?
This is where we hide.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now, as we agreed, I'm here so that you can advise us,
Yes.
teach us,
Yes.
and guide us on how we can own homes
Nigwa.
here in America.
Nigwa. I'm with Champion Real Estate that has been existing for the last 20 years. So we are seasoned in what we do. And we strictly deal with people who think they cannot be able to afford homes, or people who think the American dream is next to impossible.
Grace Omwere, the company's CEO, helps you to purchase an exquisite house of your choice that embodies the epitome of modern living, offering an unparalleled blend of comfort, luxury, and convenience, and takes you through all the process and procedures in acquiring a property in the United States of America, be it private residence, commercial, or a retirement plan.
If today you can be able to pay rent, yes, you can be able to have your own homes. And we deal with all kind of people who messed up their credit when they came into this country, because where we come from, we don't know what is credit. And then when you came here, you're introduced to something who nobody gave you education. We are here for that, to help you make sure that you understand and you're able even to maintain it. So you can be able to afford to have one home, two homes, or three homes. And we make it so easy for you such that the moment you start dealing with us and you get pre-approved, within 30 days, you own your own homes.
Champions Real Estate has meticulously crafted residence that stands as a testament to architectural brilliance.
Yes, we help people own their own homes, own American dreams. And what we require is you have a job, and then you have a good credit score. And then we have in-house lenders who do a wonderful jobs. And they strictly deals with a community that are looking to have homes, not just one home. And we work on people who have 620 credit score and above. Even the people who don't have good credits, we also help them, so we can make sure they own homes. Otherwise, you can reach us. Right now, I'm in Edmonds office, but we also have an office in Federal Way, and we also have an office in Everett. Which office do you want to come? Sure, I'm here in Edmonds. So, yeah, you can come right now. Yep, I'll wait for you. And make sure you come with the documents that we need. I need your W-2s. And I need your ID, and then 1 month paycheck. Okay, thank you. See you later. I'm excited. And thank you for calling. Bye-bye.
Grace Omwere helps you to become a homeowner within a process of 30 days only. Imagine. Kindly contact her on 425-931-0713 or visit her office as below, or call the contacts attached. In Federal Way, they have an office at 32700 Pacific Highway South, Suite 2, Federal Way, Washington 98003. And in Everett County, they have an office at 1723 Hardith Place, Southeast Suite A, Everett, Washington 98208. In Edmonds, they have an office at 525 Fifth Avenue South, Suite 101, Edmonds, Washington 98020. Or send them an email at wamwere.homes@gmail.com or log in to their website on www.championsrealestate.com. nwchampions.com.
Ati mahinda maya rĩ nĩ mũmega ma kũgũra nyũmba? No mwĩrori wakwa reke ngwĩre hũrĩra thimũ na nĩngũgũcokeria kĩũria kĩu.
Champions Real Estate, home of endless possibilities.